Hi, welcome to this video. This video I'm going to show you how easy it is to go into a report and begin your investigation. So on the screen here I have an email. This is the email you will receive when you have had a report assigned to you. As you can see, it tells you what the record number is. It gives you a link directly to that record and a link to email support if you have any issues logging in. You can either click this link directly or go to the Sentinel homepage and log in using your details, which is how I'm going to log in now. When this logs in, it's taken me straight to my dashboard, how I set this up. Now, the way that I like to have it is to use the My Instance Overview report, which is built in, and you should all be able to see this. This can show me any instance that I've got assigned to me, and I can see what the status of that instance is from this dashboard. To open it, to begin your investigation, you just click on the link and it will open the new report in a new tab for you. So now you're in. You can now view everything that was reported on the incident and you can begin your investigation. To view more information about the person, you just click and it opens up and it can show you more detail, and you click hide to minimize that away. You can use the ribbons along the top to jump to different sections of the incident. You can jump down to immediate actions, for example, and you can jump to your investigation. And then here you have some options like the probable reputational impact, for example. And depending on your options here, this may or may not escalate through to senior management just for their awareness, as high probability issues, for example, will need to be reported at a board level. So we can run this through. And we can run through, and it's very straightforward. You can add any information you need. You can upload images or attachments, or as you complete your investigation, if you take a witness statement, for example, you can add that either here under supporting documentation, or you can add new witness under the people section. If it's required, or once you're complete, it will get sent over to the senior manager for investigation as well. So they have their section here to complete as well. You can add, in the same way as you add people to a investigation or to an incident, you can add actions. And so you can say what you want the actions to be. You want to say who you want to assign this to. So there is a list of all of the investigating managers here. Description of what the task is that you need to do. And the email address of the person you want to carry it out. So you could select an individual, for example, but you could then assign it to a different email, a different user to actually carry out that action, and they will receive an email with the content of the action that they need to complete, along with the date that that action needs to be completed by. At the bottom here, we have some learning and some change in practice that may have come from it. This is the user who actually submitted the incident. They have requested an update on it, but they will not receive any confidential information that you put within the incident, within the investigation page. And it gives a severity score based on the information that as we run through the investigation, this is automatically created. Finally, you have a status option. So you can say whether this is now a completed incident and you've completed it and it's closed and it will no longer need to be investigated. When you're finished, you just press save. It's as straightforward as that. If you have any issues where fields need to be completed because they're mandatory, it will tell you at the bottom here. So you click on the line, it will tell you, and it'll take you straight to the field that you've missed. So if at any time you don't feel filled in, it will just fail at the end and it will tell you where you need to go back to. So for this example, we don't need an action, we can just delete that and press save. And now you can see that's now saved successfully. When you finish doing your investigation, you just click on Sentinel, and this will take you back to your home page and your dashboards. So there we are. I hope that was a good video showing how easy it is to actually complete an investigation of an incident, and how it automatically in the background will escalate through where it is required. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.